Hi, good morning, happy. Today is Friday. No, today is Saturday. Today is Saturday? Oh my goodness, today is Saturday, happy Saturday. And hello August, we are actually installing our the bird nest. Too high, don't you think?
Oh, no.
It's not supposed to be low?
No, not loose. They won't go.
Ah, okay. So we have to cut the branch in front then.
That's it.
Okay, that height here is okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Here, it's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so I take,
You have to mark it.
I have to make a hole. Oh, boy, c'est bon.
Let me see from that side, that angle. Yes, that's okay there. It looks let me see.
No,
I did like hair.
Really, no, that's the upper. Not easy, though, huh? I don't know how to do.
Probably if I should take the stool inside and stand and hold it for you, but I'll still be too low. You see, you can find the hole.
Oh. Well, no.
You see it? Okay.
I see it. Yeah,
Okay.
but
The ladder is in the way. Yes, definitely.
Attends, hein. Ça fait rien, hein.
There you are. But the ladder not in the way.
I move the ladder now.
Yeah.
And I want to...
C'est bon? Viens voir. Là, c'est mieux.
Ouais. Là, c'est bien.
Oui.
Ok, let's go.
Branch, but yeah, it's straight. Next tree, this one over there.
Yeah, attends. I see here.
Let me see. I'm trying to figure out which side.
This one is more...
Maybe. Oui. Let me see. Oui. Ça? Ah, ok. Ah. Tiens. Oui. Là. Tiens. Et à toi, ni choix 1, 2, et toi,
I check this one.
3 bird nests. So the birds are going to be happy in fall. This one here. And this one is an old one. So you're going to reinforce it. It's been there so long. Oh yes, it's the same size. I was thinking this one was bigger, but no, you're right, same size.
Now I want to know if it's still okay.
Ah, okay. Ah, but I don't think anything. I think it's okay because it's been there so long. Nothing never happened, right?
Ouais.
Fais attention. Hein? The nest boxes are up, they're completed. So yes, the birds will be happy in fall. We consider this the the a bird Airbnb, the bird's Airbnb. So there's one. This one I've been here a while. That's the new one, and there is another one down there, as you can see. So in fall, we are with the birds. So that was a project for today, and of course, second project is to harvest. It's a busy Saturday morning already. We're gonna harvest these tomatoes here and this eggplant, because we're gonna be preparing another ratatouille, which we love ratatouille because it's vegetables, a one-potty vegetables, a French recipe. My husband usually prepares and I love it, so that's what's gonna happen. Today we're gonna prepare ratatouille and harvest these, and that has been our Saturday morning. Yes, so anyway, have a wonderful day everybody. Until next time.